Hey Tony, it's Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I wanted to shoot you over that little video that we talked about. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Google HVAC companies in San Antonio, Texas. This top section up here is the ad section. As you can see, these people are paying for ads. That's why it says sponsored. This is the Google Map Pack. So that is the optimization we possibly talked about of them requesting that paper from you. And this down here is the organic section, so this is essentially where the ranking begins. Yelp, Angie's List, Consumer Affairs, those are all directory links. They're all a great source of giving traffic to your site, so we'd want to add you to those if you weren't part of them already. You're currently not ranked on Google. I know you said you just launched your site, so throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your site to the #1 spot, which is Champion AC. So first things first, I pulled up their website, and it looks pretty good. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. So content is any of the verbiage that is listed on this homepage, or any of the pages, but we're going to focus on the homepage for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste all of this content, and I am going to put it into my word counter. And you can see that they only have about 317 words on their homepage. Google actually recommends you having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being, these all provide opportunities for you to sneak in keywords, etc., stuff as many things as you can into that. So, second thing I'm going to do is pull up your website and grab all of the content off of your website. And I am going to put that into the word counter. And you have about 650 words. So you definitely need at least double, if not triple that in the content. There's so many words and keywords that you can be slipping into there that's going to pull you up in tons of Google searches. Okay, so next thing that leads me to talk about is the keywords. So keywords are essentially the phrases that people Google to find you. So like HVAC companies, San Antonio, Texas, that's a keyword. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take their website, and I'm going to put it into this tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is basically an online website auditor site. And as you can see, this is the traffic value that they're generating. This is the amount per month that they're spending on ads. Even without that spending, divide 86 by 14, and it's, what, close to 5, 6? So without anything alone, their website would be generating about $6,000 a month on traffic value, strictly off of the content and the keywords that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and look at their keywords. And okay, so things like this that have a really high search volume, HVAC contractors near me, HVAC air conditioning service, they don't have a location attached, so those are actually nationwide keywords. It's not really the kind of traffic we want to generate for you. Someone in Oregon could Google this, and this website might come up. Is that going to make you money? Probably not. I mean, unless you plan on jumping on a plane, flying to Oregon, and servicing them. Things with locations attached, that's what we're looking for. So AC San Antonio, AC Companies San Antonio AC Repair, San Antonio AC, AC Repair San Antonio, Air Conditioning Repair San Antonio. So those are the kind of things that we want to look for. So let's take a look at yours. Looks like you have one organic keyword. Let's see what it is. Angie's List. So that's not really beneficial to you. There's so much more we could be sticking into there to bring you in more traffic, etc. That leads me to the third thing that I'm going to touch on, which are backlinks. So what a backlink is it's essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere on the internet, this website is linked 4.06k times. So that's 4.06k different opportunities for this website to be seen. So that's why that's so important. Not all backlinks are created equal. We could have 2,000 and rank higher if they have higher powered backlinks. So what we do is we go for the higher powered, the stronger backlinks. So if I look at yours actually isn't linked anywhere. That's something that we could definitely do. Anyways, Tony, I hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to incorporate these tips yourself, or of course, reach out to me for more information. All of my contact info is going to be listed in the email that I'm sending to you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.